Tracking the COVID-19 vaccine, on Monday, millions more South Carolinians will be eligible to sign up for the shot. Now, as it becomes more readily available, the Urban League, Bon Secours, and Prisma want to make sure the community is educated about the vaccines and who qualifies. Now, they want to make sure everyone has the right and correct information.
At Fox Carolina's Amber Worthy joining us live with more on what you need to know.
Yeah, so a lot of people now qualify for the vaccine. In fact, 35% of the state, according to the CDC, is obese. But if you haven't been to the doctor, you might not know how to calculate that BMI. So all you do is find a calculator, plug in your weight and your height.
Obesity, now listed as a qualifying factor for people to get the COVID-19 vaccine beginning on March 8th. CDC reports that South Carolina is on a list of states with the highest rates of obesity. This graph shows areas where 35% of the population is obese, with the numbers of minorities in that category alarming, shown in dark red as well.
We've seen a lot of really bad outcomes in people who have weight issues when it comes to COVID, including pregnant women.
With that in mind, the Urban League and USC's School of Medicine hosted an event tonight with a guest speaker, Dr. Cindy Duke.
Simply telling them that they're qualified doesn't necessarily mean they'll show up, but if they do show up, what the people in South Carolina need to make sure in terms of public health officials that they have the vaccines, right? Make sure they can get it. If they take the step to come, make sure they can get it.
Having someone that looks like me, that looks like you can sometimes kind of, help with making decisions that's best for our community.
They took questions and also dispelled myths, some of the misinformation that is circling about the virus and the vaccine.
Is by allowing people to ask questions, allowing them to hear their own voice asking questions, because that's when people engage and they pay attention.
And there is another event coming up at a church, and as soon as those details are released, we will pass that along to you. For now, reporting live here in Greenville County, Amber Worthy for Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.